Please kindly click on the red subscribe button below this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks, God bless you as you do this.
Thank you so much.
So
I don't have my picture for this background. Okay.
What, apart from being excited to be here today, what exactly how do you feel today?
Do you know something? I'm happy because it's Kemi's day. Kemi's day is here. Yeah, it's her birthday and she's premiering a movie, so I am excited. I'm happy for her, you know, because Kemi is somebody that if you're having your own party, you're going to see she doesn't sit down. She's all over the place, you know. It's that she's dancing or she's all over the place helping out with the food, serving, you know. So she's that kind of person. And for that kind of person to be having a party, that means we have to support her as well. Because she likes to celebrate with people. So I am happy. I'm excited to be part of this.
One good tongue
deserves another, yes.
I can imagine.
You can't do it alone.
Did you participate in the movie?
Yes, I acted the role of Otun or about something, like one of the chiefs. Yeah.
Did you shout there?
Oh God, you need to see the movie.
I can imagine. With your sexy highball, you know.
I was really tough, you know what I'm talking about. Yeah, but
I can see you really love her.
I love her.
In the industry.
I love her. She's an exciting person. You're not dull, you're not bored when you're with her.
Okay.
So
in one or two sentences or anyhow you can put it to the people at home, talk about little about Modorisha.
Okay, Modorisha is actually a story where everybody, everything, and all the people in the movie are women.
Okay.
Whatever you're going to see in Modorisha, you cannot see a man. Just women, you know. So you can imagine, like, a town, you know, being run by women. Having the Oba is actually, I mean, you know, the Oba too is a woman, and the subjects are women. So even, you know, the villagers are women. So everybody in the story is basically women. So you can imagine. You just want to see how they're doing it.
As in Yoruba, I say Obìnrin gbàjọba.
Please don't take my toenails, Joe. Don't take my toenails.
Oh, nice seeing you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
With all this beautiful body and all those.
In English, in Yoruba and English. Okay, all the kid dakpo. Yarale, mo appreciate you. Thank you so much. We fair every minute. Go easy. I want no more go easy. I mean, a particular person, they appreciate the. That means that you're giving us that courage, encouragement to do more. Mama, that's it.
Okay, for those that don't understand Yoruba, but they love you and love the movie, I want to watch out for the movie.
Okay, watch out for Modorisha. That's the movie to watch. It's a brilliant put together movie.
Okay.
And with the directors and all the cast and the crew, it's a wonderful job, well put together.
Because you're there, I'd love to watch more.
Yeah, thank you. My name is Ayo Adesanya. Keep watching Boa TV. Come on, let's go there. Ginger.
Need to subscribe because we drop videos almost every day. I have to subscribe. There's a circle here written Gua TV. Click on it, you see a subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button. That's